Hello there, welcome to Miscellaneous Math. Let's read out the question. So today we learn how to open mod with the help of this question. Okay, so you can see there are three mods and having three critical points. The critical points of this mod is 2 because x minus 2 is equal to 0. Critical points means at which the mod will become 0. Okay, so it is 0 at x equal to 4 and this one last mod will be 0 at x equal to 6. So if we draw a number line here, then you can see 2 is smaller than among them all and 4 is greater and 6 is largest. So you can see there will be four cases here because there is critical point. One case less than 2, between 2 and 4, and between 4 and 6 third case. Okay, and there will be 4 cases. This is third case. Okay, and there will be fourth case greater than 6. Okay, because we know about mod, right? We know about mod that mod x it is equal to x when x is greater than equal to 0 and it is equal to minus x when x is less than 0. We include 0 at any of the one cases because we know that minus of 0 will also equal to 0 and 0 is also equal to 0. That's why we include this equality at any one of the cases. So usually we include 0 with the greater than sign. Okay, so let us proceed the question, but we have to make the case. So I am taking the case 1. Okay, we have to check for each case, and since x can lie either in less than 2 range or between 2 or 4 or between 4 and 6, therefore we can select the value of either of the case. We have to take the union. Okay, so see, case 1 is when x is less than 2. So we are taking the case when our x is taking value less than 2. So in this scenario, what will happen with mod? You can see that the first mod will open with minus sign and this will also open with minus sign because all of them will be negative when x is less than 2. So we have to open the first case with minus minus minus. So I am writing this directly as, let me write that, minus of x minus 2 minus of x minus 4 and minus of x minus 6. We have to solve this, right, and check the value. Now you can see it is minus x plus 2 minus x plus 4, it is minus x plus 6 and this is equal to 18. Now you can see it is minus x minus x minus 3x. Okay, and 4 plus 6, that is 10 plus 2 12, so it is 12, it is equal to 18. If you shift there 12 on that side, then 18 minus 12 will become 6 here. You can see that we are getting the value of x as 6 upon 3 with minus sign, so 3 2 is 6. So we are getting our value of x as minus 2. But you can see we have to take the intersection of the condition in which this result arrive. You can see that x equal to minus 2 is less than 2, so we can select this value as our answer. So we got the value of x as minus 2. So this is the part of our answer. So we have the value of x as minus 2. That will be the part of our answer. Okay, let's go for further value of x. Okay, further cases. This is second case now. So I am taking the case 2. Let's solve for case 2. Case 2 is when x is greater than equal to 2 but less than 4, and second case will lie in this interval. For this case, you can see the first mod will open with plus sign. Okay, the second mod will open with minus sign and the third one will open with minus sign because x is less than 4, still less than 4 and less than 6. Okay, so we can say this will be x minus 2, second mod minus sign, so I am opening that directly, minus x, I am multiplying the minus sign here, it is minus x plus 6, right? Now you can see it is equal to 18, so this is equal to 18 here. Now let's solve it. So you can see x and x will cancel, 6 plus 4 10, 10 minus 2 8, so minus x plus 8, it is equal to 18. You can see that we have done everything correctly and we got this. 4 minus 2 2, 6 plus 2 8, perfect. Now minus x will be equal to 18 minus 8, that is equal to 10. So we can say the value of x will be minus 10. So we got the value of x, right? This is minus 10. So this is the value of x here. Now you can check the interval. X should lie within 2 to 4, but this minus 10, it is not belonging to the given interval, that is 2 to 4. Hence we can say this value is rejected, है ना. So there is no solution for this case. We got nothing. No solution means our answer will be null set. This is the answer for the case B. Let me write at B, and this is the answer A. Okay. Now let's proceed and go for the next case. So I am selecting another case, that is case number 3. Case 3 will be, let me show you, when x lie between x is greater than 4 but less than 6. Okay, so x is here greater than equal to 4 but it is less than 6. In this scenario, what will happen? The first mod will open with plus sign, second will also open with minus, but last one will open with minus sign here. Okay, let's open them. So first plus plus minus, so this will become x minus 2 plus x minus 4, and the last one will be minus x plus 6, and they have the value 18 together. You can see x and x will cancel each other, and we are getting the value x minus 6 plus 6, that is 0. So this will be equal to 18. Now you can check the interval. X 18 is not belonging to the given interval. You can see 4 to 6 is the case, but it is not belonging here. That it is not belonging here. That simply means that we got nothing. So there will be no solution because it is not belonging to the here. So we can say null set will be our solution for the case. Let's say that is answer number C. Now we have to go for the last case. In last case, we just select this, that x should be greater than equal to 6. So we are solving the last case now. That is case number 4. When x is greater than equal to 6. So all of the mod you can see here will open with plus sign. Okay, so we can open them positive sign. So we can say it is equal to x minus 2 plus x minus 4 plus x minus 6. It is equal to 18. Let's check it. You can see 3x, it will become 3x, and it is minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 12. That will comes out to be 18. So 3x will comes out to be 18 plus 12. 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So we got this, right? X equal to 30 upon 3. You can cancel them, and we are getting 10 here. So the value of x is 10, and it is belonging to the given interval, that it is greater than 6. So we can say this will be the part of our solution. This is the part of our solution. Alright, this is answer number D. Now we know that x can be anywhere, so any case can be possible. So we have to take the union of the case. So our final answer will be x belongs to A union B union C union D. Okay, so our final answer will be x belongs to, you can see the first, in the first case we got x as minus 2, in second case nothing, in third case nothing, in fourth case 10. So our answer will be x belongs to only two values we are getting, that is minus 2 and 10. So x can be either minus 2 or x can be 10. So our final answer for this question will be minus 2 and 10. Let me check it again. 4 will not satisfy here. You can see that 4, if substitute 4, then that will be 4 minus 2, that is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 minus 6. So it will be 10 here. So there will be correction here. Let me correct that. This will be the correction here. Okay, let me erase it. This will not. So our answer will be minus 2 comma 10 here. Okay, there will be 10, because we can check by satisfying the value. You can substitute the 10 here. So 10 minus 2, I am just checking the options for you. 10 minus 2 plus 10 minus 4. You can also solve by this question by options, by just substituting the value. You can 10 minus 2 equal to 8 plus 10 minus 4 equal to 6 plus 10 minus 6 equal to 4. You can see that we are getting it equal to 18, which is absolutely correct. So there will be correction in the question. Let me erase the options, right? So this, there will be correction here. Our answer for this question will be, let me erase that correction part, because I am correcting the only one option here, that is this. So this will be 10 here. So this question requires the correction. So our answer will be this. As you can see, we have calculated and we got the value of x as 2 and minus 2 and 10, and they both will satisfy. If you want to check minus 2, then you can see minus 2 minus 2, that is 4. So mod of this will be 4. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, that is mod will be 6. 6 plus 4 10. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, mod will be 8. So 10 plus 8 will be 18. So both of these values are satisfying. You can also solve this question by options to save your time, but my main target is to show you how to open the mod. Okay, we can solve this question roughly in 1 to 2 minutes by just substituting the value from options, but I have shown you how to open the mod. I think this is helpful to you. So go through the solution, you will definitely be able to understand every point of that. If you face any trouble or any problem, then you can just take a screenshot of that part, or you can just write in the comment section. We will get you soon and solve it out. I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you so much.